Hi, it's Heather. I'm a certified arborist in Bloomington, Indiana, and today I wanted to show you why we train trees. So I actually came to do something else to this red bud. I was going to remove a stem that was really encroaching on the neighbor's trees. Um, but then I saw this tree without its leaves and noticed this really bad split. So red buds oftentimes get V crotches. And, the earlier we train them, the uh, more likely we are to be able to prune out of these early. So, I mean, this isn't the world's oldest red bud. Um, it's not the youngest either. Um, but it's also right here. And just with, enough wind force, you could probably break some shingles or tear the gutter off. So just a reminder, and so here too, yesterday, I actually thought about thinning out a little bit more than I did. But then when I saw this crack, I thought, I should probably let this stem get used to its kind of new state in relationship to wind. So I'm gonna let some of these branches stay for a while, and next year, um, we can thin some more out and let this last stem, because this tree I think would look weird without this stem. But anyway, so train your trees early, and then we don't have to have splits just like this. So anyway, have a great day. And so too, I guess we could say this is also an example of clearance pruning. I did clear it off the roof and the house and that kind of thing. So anyway, we'll talk to you soon. Sorry it's been so long. Bye.